$150. I'm getting a Frappuccino over the weekend, and I'm gonna show you. Hey everyone, my name's Amanda, and I'm kind of new here. So, I told you guys recently, my husband got me this palette, the MAC Jeremy Scott palette. Oh my god, I am so digging this packaging. Seriously. See? And I am right now getting ready for dinner with his coworkers, and I am just moving stuff around and said, I think I need to do a pink and orange kind of look. So here we go. I got out 3 brushes. I got this one from Glamour Dolls. It's a blending brush because I want to have something that is a little more blending, but I also want one I could use to clean up. I also have the Wet n Wild one. Bam. And I actually have an e.l.f. blending brush because why not bring more friends to the party? And the e.l.f. contour brush. And it's because I don't know what I'll need. That's basically it, guys. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. blending eye brush. And I'm going to go in with the color Bird's Eye. And that's this bright pink because I am wearing a pink dress. And I figured I'd go a little matchy with it. So when you guys are doing any of these looks, whether it is the single eye tutorial or the single, one thing I didn't tell you in the one shadow tutorial is wherever you set your brush down first, that's where you're going to have the majority of your pigment. And so I have laid that down, and this is not it's a great brush, but I need to glue it or buy a new one. But anyway, guys, I put it here in the corner of my crease, and I'm going to blend it out. And I think I am actually going to take this Wet n Wild brush and blend it out. And you can blend that into your crease. You can blend that up a little more. It's your call. By the way, I did prime my eyes with the Ulta Nude Matte. What was it? I forgot. The Nude Matte eyeshadow primer. But whatever primer you guys like best, go with it. Give it a shot. And different shadows work better with different primers. So going back in, I'm gonna blend this out some more. And guys, I'm gonna take this contour brush, and I am going to go in with Disco Therapy, which is this orange color right here. And I'm gonna put that over my lid. And once again, I am, wherever you set that brush down first is what's going to get the most pigment. And blend, just like we did in the single. And I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush that I used to blend in the pink. And guys, when you're blending, you can go in and do the windshield wiper movement, or you can go in and I have, in my experience now, my very limited experience, and all of my YouTube watching, I have found that when you go in and you use circular motions, that helps too. Okay, so that's it. Now, once again, I'm going to go in and do it all over, but we'll fast forward through the next one, you know, so you can watch it. And I'm going to try and hold a mirror over here so you can see. And my handy dandy Dollar Tree mirror, here we go. Simple, right? Okay guys, now if you want to deepen up, I just picked 2 colors and I thought that would be complimentary to my outfit, but you guys do whatever you wish. That's the simple idea, right? This is the 2 shadow look. I went ahead and finished my face. I used the Flower Stick foundation that I have. I used the Tarte blush in Risque. I went in with sorry, I'm itchy. The Pure palette that we got in the most recent BoxyCharm for contour and highlight. Oh, those highlights are beautiful. And it works for medium skin tone. I'm so happy about that. See you guys on Tuesday for 3 shadow look. And happy Memorial Day weekend. Enjoy the 3-day weekend, guys. We'll see you soon.